Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 31st day of July 2025. Great to be with you. Another big moving day in the charts. Had been really slow till yesterday, and then it's just been really, really nice volume. I expected the setup is this. I expect the volume of the next candle to be somewhere between 130 and 180 ticks long. So I'm going to set my ATM up to take advantage of that. We're going to go for 40 tick first targets, then runners of 100 and 200, just like we did yesterday. We're going to use a little bit different of a signal. We usually use the strong candle indicator um, in these trades of the day, but even though there were plenty of those to be had, I want to show you something in another primary indicator only available at Samurai Day Trading, and that is the delta signal. The black delta signals mean go long, the red delta signals mean go short. And it just lets you know where all the institutions start buying or selling. Then you'll get these little arrows, little lines across the screen saying, here, take me in this direction. So we've had a candle come down and fail miserably, and then we've got a really nice signal that we teach in the class. But we'll look for the we call the delta signal, which is a black line across the top of this screen right now, and we'll take it as far as we can take it. So let's see how it went. Go ahead and put the trade on, and we'll just wait for the signal to pop up. We take our order, we pop it right on top of the signal, put our stop where it belongs, and just let it run out. So there it is. Whoops, we got a little there it goes. All right, great. This may even come back and retrace a little bit, but either way, it went pretty well. So we'll wait till we get picked up in the trade. Then we will go ahead and not sure why the candle's not moving right now. It should be. There we go. All right. Got stuck a little bit, I think. Put our stop where it belongs, which is underneath. There's a lot of risk on this particular trade, but the market was moving so fast, you figure you're going to have risk on it anyway. Again, 40 tick first target seems like a lot. We'll de-risk the trade after 40 ticks. All right, now if it comes back and takes me out at this is break even. My stop went from all the way down there up here to a break even position, so I can't lose any money in the trade now. But that was easy enough, eh? When the black line appears, put your order on, put your stop where it belongs, and then just let the trade take place. Now we'll speed it up a little bit. These are pretty big targets, so it's 40s and 100s are now out. We'll go ahead and we don't want to. I'm pretty sure we got 200s out of this, if I remember properly. But we'll see. I mean, 200, it's a pretty big target. And that's a nice little brick wall. And perhaps we should have taken it out there. But I know we hit 20s and 100s. I'm pretty sure we hit 200s if I can remember correctly. But we'll just let it play out. We're going at six times the market rate. The first 5 minute candle's over. And it looks like we're going to go into um, a second target here. Again, more delta signals coming. We just took the first one of the first candle, and we'll just go with the one trade. We could be taking, there we go, 200s are out. Brilliant. That trade actually took about 8 minutes to complete and was worth 1,920 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make $1,920 in 8 minutes, come and join us in the live trading room at samuraidaytrading.com. There's all kinds of great informations on the website that's free. So go ahead and check it out, samuraidaytrading.com. We look forward to seeing you in the LTR real soon. God bless, and we'll see you next time.